Welcome to the Foundation course on statistics. Myself, Professor Masood S. Siddiqui, I am your course instructor. I am a professor and head of Department of Statistics, University of Lucknow. So before joining University of Lucknow, I was a faculty member at Jaipur Institute of Management for 16 and a half long years. I joined as senior lecturer and in 2013 I got promoted to professor. So after that I shifted to University of Lucknow, where I am currently serving. My area of specialization is statistics, research methodology, analytics, machine learning, everything that is based upon data-driven decision making. And I am a co-author of the famous book Statistics for Management. Related to the course, it is based upon the concept of data-driven decision making. We use data to have a better decision making. As we know that in all aspect of our life, including the business life as well as the life related to the management jobs or management consultancy, we require certain decision making. And this decision making may be done subjectively, but always the better approach is we use information, we use data, so that the chances of committing error would be quite low. And our course is based upon data-driven decision making. So we have 3 modules that we will be covering in this course. In the first module, we will be covering related to formation of the problem. Then we are summarizing our data in the form of descriptive statistics. After that, we will be moving to the uncertain situation or the random situation, where we will be discussing various concepts of probability in order to have a better decision wherever uncertainty is there. And the third volume, we are introducing correlation, though correlation is not been covered fully because that requires some other aspect also. But the introductory part of the correlation, where we examine the relationship between different variables, will be covered. And I will be providing you slides as well as the different Excel notebook also, where some questions are being solved using the Excel, so that even for the large data set, you people will be solving them in a quite comprehensive manner. Remember, though mathematics is required for this course, but it is not sufficient, because mathematics just provide us the background. The real thing is related to the domain. Means as a decision maker, it is not expected that you will be calculating everything. The more important thing is how these tools may be applied. And since in the current age, when so much technology is there and so many softwares are there, so obviously our focus is not typically on the calculation. Our focus is more on the application part as well as their decision making based upon these tools. After this course, whenever you go to your job field or for pursuing any career, it will be highly useful if you employ or if you use these tools in order to have a better decision making in form of consultancy as well as the daily decision that you will be taking in your business life. Apart from this, I always say that statistics is very close to our real life also. So we will be discussing a real life situation, a very common situation that we encounter every day. But in that case also, a lot of statistics is being employed. So our objective is to have such a coverage of these courses so that a thinking pattern or an approach will be developed in you people, so that you will be using the statistical tool for all type of decision making. So we will be meeting for the course. Thank you.